sauce.
Well, hello everybody and welcome back to another vlog. So now you're wondering, why do I look so dressed up? That's because we are going to a birthday party. It is a masquerade theme, all black masquerade themed birthday party. So formal attire only and masks are mandatory. That's Melissa's mask. It looks so good. But I decided to go with a lace mask because I don't know, I think it would be a little bit more delicate and dainty. Yeah, that's more so my vibe. So I'm gonna put it on shortly before we head in. We actually just pulled up and I figured I would open the vlog. Not gonna lie, I was debating if I was gonna vlog tonight because I feel a little awkward vlogging people's events and stuff like that, but I guess I'll just try to keep it about us. But I have to. I absolutely have to show off the fit tonight. We look so good. Melissa?
Yes, I look
sharp. Very, very dapper. Super excited for tonight. I think it's gonna be fun. I popped some curls in my hair. Honestly, because I'm gonna wear a mask, the only thing I really focused on was like my lips and my lashes, so my lashes could peek through, and I did a red lip to go with the sparkly black dress and shoes and stuff like that. All right, baby, are you ready to go?
Yes.
We saw a couple people pulled up just now and went in, but first we have to put on our masks. So
yes,
let me quickly do that. Baby, regular tea? Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful Tuesday morning and Melissa and I are heading to the doctor's office, but I just got dressed and I figured I would come on here and show you guys my outfit, which I'm absolutely loving. Like, this is just, if you ever hear me say, oh, I'm just gonna wear sweats today, this is what I mean. This is what I mean. These trousers, these sweatpants, they're actually wide leg. I'm not sure if you can see that, but because they're wide leg, I feel like it makes them look way more elevated than your typical sweatpants. I decided to style them with my zipped up sweater with the gold zip. This is probably one of my favorite fall sweaters. But yeah, the combination, white line detail going down the thigh all the way to the bottom of the pants, which I feel like is just such a nice touch, which just complements this entire outfit. I decided to go with these cat eye frames for sunnies. I'm gonna wear my Alma BB and my Chanel Slim Back dupe. That's just gonna tie the look perfectly together. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Also, these are new. They will be featured in tomorrow's video where I'm talking about like my fall favorites. When we get back from the doctor's office, I'm actually going to film and edit that video and have it up for you guys by tomorrow. By the time you're seeing this video, it'll already be up. So if you haven't seen that video yet, please go ahead and check it out. Again, go ahead and drop me a big heart in the comments. Any color of your choosing, just drop me a heart in the comments and let me know that you're here with me, you've made it to this part of the video, and you're enjoying the video so far. But you guys, I'll link that. These were actually sent to me by Style We, and we'll get into it. I'll talk more about it in the video. So if you're interested to see some new stuff that I got and some pieces that I'm absolutely loving this fall, you might want to go check out that video. Anyways, enough of my ramble. I'll take you guys with me, so let's go to the doctor. Another thing that I forgot to mention this morning is today is November 5th. Today is election day. Today is the day where we make history and put a woman in the Oval Office.
Hands in a soap.
Come say hi to us.
Hey guys, so we're watching the election and I just realized that it is possible that we are going to elect the first female president, and that deserves celebration. I don't have any wines. We need to go wine shopping, so I don't have any wines in the cabinet in our little wine bar over here, but we do have a private collection. Like every time we go somewhere and we think we find something special, we buy it. I'm going to pick from the wines up here. We have a few bottles. Let me set you guys up so you guys can see. Which one should we do? Should we do one from Italy? So we have the Rosato, which is rosé. Then we have Blanco, which is a white. And then of course we have a red. You want to do red, white, or rosé? We have two of each? Yeah. Let's do red or white. Let's do our red.
And that don't cost a thing, but I don't want to give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up.
Oh, so New York closed already?
I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me?
Pennsylvania, check out with Pennsylvania.
Can you focus on me?
Yeah, I don't know what time we're gonna go to bed tonight, baby.
Baby, can you
All night thing.
It's an all-night thing. It's better than 4 years ago for we, right? Wouldn't you say so? I don't think I actually came on and spoke to you guys after the election results because I needed a day, you know. A very good friend of mine said that she gave her family a mental health day, and I took one, and that's also the reason why Wednesday's video was late. It's up already. Today's Thursday. I need to wash my hair. Actually, I just need a headband. Let's use the brown headband. It's gonna go with this outfit. It should. Obsessed with these pants. Like, this is the 4th day I'm wearing them. Don't judge me, but I don't care. I don't care. Let's give you guys a full look of the outfit. I decided to go with my Leopard kitten heels. I'm also trying to get a photo today as well. And for bag, I turned my Zara crossbody bag. Where did I put it? I think I brought it outside. Hold on. I turned my Zara crossbody bag into a shoulder bag. All I did was I just doubled the strap, like I wrapped it around the flap one time. And this is the outfit for the day. Okay, so I just went ahead and I popped on my everyday jewelry, nothing extra. This is the final look. Okay, guys, see you inside. Everybody, coming to you with another food review. Melissa just came back from her day at the office and brought me some goodies. I have no idea what this is. It's the first time we're actually trying this restaurant, so we're trying something new today. She asked me, she's like, you want to try something new, or do you want me to get something that we know? I was like, you know what, whatever you like, baby. Okay. Chipotle vibes, but
so that's a jerk chicken bowl.
A jerk chicken bowl.
And your favorite should be the one in the box.
And then let's see what this is.
Boria tacos for the girl.
Pass me some hand sanitizer, the baby. Pass me the sanitizer, the baby. Oh, I love though these corn tortillas. Look.
It's homemade.
Yeah.
Alright, give it a goes.
Okay, can you open the sauce for me? I want my hands smell like sanitizer.
Or put it in the box. So when you dip, it doesn't get messy.
Okay.
Oh wait, you gotta show them how you dip it.
Okay. So this is the sauce. Whoa, it's dripping. Whoa, it's dripping.
Was that napkins?
Okay. Slightly salty. Slightly.
But flavors.
Oh, flavor town, babes. And get a lot of meat in it.
That's good. Okay, now try the jerk chicken. Close that up so you can try the jerk chicken bowl. Get the lid for me. Whoa. Very juicy, so make sure you don't
This is relish?
I think so.
Oh, onions.
Pickled onions. Good combo.
Oh, it's good. Alright, let's try the jerk chicken bowl now. I'm excited. I love a bowl.
So this has a couple of variations.
Okay.
There's guac in there. There is mango salsa. Jerk chicken. Mexican rice.
Okay.
So it's a little bit different from the Chipotle bowl.
Yeah. So what it says? Mexican rice, black beans,
Mango
salsa, jerk chicken,
guac.
guac, lettuce, and looks like a little sour cream type of
No,
sauce.
it's ranch. It's a ranch sauce. Cilantro ranch sauce.
Cilantro ranch sauce. Oh my god. This is actually so good.
You're not missing Chipotle? The new Chipotle?
This is elevated Chipotle.
Taste the jerk chicken?
Yeah.
Oh, and fajitas. How do you feel about the mango salsa?
It's good. Wow.
It's good to try something new, huh? It's a comfort food.
It's really good. Wow.
Would you get it again?
Yes.
Let's see.
Right?
It worked really well together.
First bite. Wow. It's called Guac Time. Okay, Guac Time.
It tastes homemade too.
Yeah, it tastes really good. It tastes fresh. It tastes like somebody actually cooked this. Like it's not, doesn't taste like fast foody. It tastes really good. Like you made it at home. Wow. Okay, Guac Time.
Falling for you, I can't keep away.